Fried rice, a perfect way to reuse whatever edible stuff that remains in your fridge. You can basically look at your fridge and pantry, find some canned meat, bits of unused veggies, and some leftover rice, and you can make a new and better dish out of these things that some might think are destined for the garbage can. But the world of cooking has a lot of surprises. Welcome to Foodie Legends, your go-to source for the best foods to eat around the world and its history. Join us as we hop across various cuisines to have a taste of some delicious fried rice recipes, and who knows, you might learn a thing or two. Today, we'll be sharing some of our favorite recipes along with the necessary tools for the trade. The art of cooking fried rice is mostly associated with Chinese cuisine, although rice-eating countries all over the world have their own rendition of this dish. The earliest records of fried rice can be traced back to the short-lived Sui dynasty, although the technique only became widely popular in the time of the Ming dynasty. There is a wide library of recipes about Yangzhou fried rice, but the core contents of the dish should be cooked day-old rice, because freshly cooked rice can be sticky and needs to be chilled first. In cooking Yangzhou fried rice, we need the following: 5 cups of cooked day-old rice, 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, 2 carrots diced, 1/3 cup of fresh or frozen green peas, 10 pieces of shrimps, peeled, deveined, and sliced to smaller pieces, 1/2 cup of char siu pork, 2 scallions chopped, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, salt and pepper to taste. Make sure that the wok is very hot before pouring a tablespoon of oil in it. Once it is hot, saute the carrots, green peas, and the shrimps, stir-frying it until cooked. Then season it with salt and pepper. Set it aside for the meantime, then we can proceed with the egg fried rice itself. Pour another tablespoon of oil in the wok, swirling it all over the surface. Add a pinch of salt to a bowl of eggs, vigorously beating it with your chopsticks. Then pour it into the wok and cook it for 10 to 15 seconds. Remember, the wok is very hot, so you have to move quickly. Once the scrambled eggs get a solid form, add the leftover rice and mix it with the eggs. Remember to break the eggs off so it'll scatter beautifully with the rice, giving it a variety of colors. After a few minutes, season the rice with salt and light soy sauce. Then add the chopped char siu, followed by the vegetable shrimps mixture you sauteed earlier. Stir-fry the entire thing until the ingredients are well acquainted with each other. Seasoned with soy sauce, cooking it for 2 more minutes over high heat, and that's basically it. You have your vibrant Yangzhou fried rice, made out of ingredients that you think have already reached their max potential. Important note: you need to hear the cracking noise, which means the wok is hot enough for the fried rice not to stick in the wok. It also imparts your Chinese fried rice with a special smoky flavor and aroma. This is what we call the wok-hei, or the breath of the wok. That is the key part of stir-frying, and you need a good wok for that. It is easier to cook Yangzhou fried rice with complete equipment for the job. KAQINU offers a full set that is suitable for cooking authentic Chinese dishes. This set includes a carbon steel wok with wooden lid, wok brush, wok ring, spatula, cooking chopsticks, and a variety of spoons that are good for various functions. Although made for traditional Chinese cooking, KAQINU's wok set is also adapted for other stoves, such as gas stoves and induction stoves. You can surely cook a good platter of Yangzhou fried rice with these bad boys in your kitchen. It is believed that Omurice originated at a Western-style restaurant named Rengate in Tokyo's Ginza district, somewhere in the 20th century. The name of the dish itself omurice was derived from the words omu, which means omelette, and raisu, referring to rice. Omurice grew in popularity with the years that followed and became the face of Western-style Japanese cuisine. Cooking omurice is actually pretty easy, despite its seemingly fancy and quirky nature. Here's what you need on cooking a delicious plate of omurice. 3 tablespoons of oil, 1/2 onion, finely diced, 1 boneless or skinless chicken thigh, sliced to smaller pieces, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1/2 cup of frozen mixed vegetables, salt and pepper for seasoning, 2 servings of cooked day-old Japanese short grain rice, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 2 large eggs, and 2 tablespoons of milk.
You want to cook?
Heat the oil in a frying pan in medium heat. Then saute the onions, adding the chicken slices afterwards and stir it until the meat is cooked. Add the frozen mixed vegetables and mix it until everything is cooked, and you can finally add the rice. Lower the heat to prevent the rice from sticking, but hot enough to cook the entire thing. For seasoning, add a small amount of ketchup and salt and pepper. Once the fried rice is cooked, set it aside so you can cook the omelette. On a separate pan, heat the oil over low heat and beat the eggs in a bowl seasoned with salt and pepper. Add some milk to make your omelette creamier. Now, slowly pour the egg in the pan until it forms a thin layer, and once the eggs become solid enough, add your fried rice above the omelette, forming it in an oval shape. Gently fold the sides of the omelette, covering the fried rice, and carefully transfer the omelette into a plate. Drizzle the top with ketchup, designing it according to your preference. And there you have it, a plate of delicious casual omurice. Omurice's most defining trait is its clean and visually appealing appearance. YARNOW's omurice mold is just the right fit for this job. Made from stainless steel, this omurice mold is rust-proof, durable, and will not affect the taste of your omurice. YARNOW's omurice mold gives your fried rice a nice shape and will not crumble easily because of the mold's handle that helps it to press on the plate. This gives your omurice an unprecedented structural integrity, long enough for your spoon to do the final annihilation on the way to your hungry mouth. Thai cuisine is widely known for the hot and wild flavor of its dishes. A fast-growing culinary style in the world of gastronomy, many Thai dishes today are making their way to the international spotlight. Thailand's version of fried rice is a very unique take on this dish, one that we need to eat more than once in our lives. Khao Pat is a very popular stir-fry dish in central Thailand. A versatile fried rice where you can use various meat such as chicken, pork, and even seafood such as crab and shrimp. Unlike some fried rice dishes that use regular long-grain rice, Thai cooks prefer to use jasmine rice, known for its fragrance. Don't let this dish intimidate you because khao pat is actually quite easy to cook. First, we have to gather our ingredients. 1 tablespoon of peanut oil, 3 garlic cloves, minced, 1 Thai red chili, chopped, 1/4 pound of shrimps, cleaned and sliced to smaller pieces, 2 cups of cooked jasmine rice, cooled at room temperature, 1/2 onion, diced, 1/2 red pepper, diced, 2 teaspoons of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tomato, sliced thin, 1 egg, 1 cucumber, sliced, 1 green onion, chopped, 1 lime, cut into wedges. Heat your oil in a wok over high heat, and once it is hot enough, saute the minced garlic and chopped Thai chilies. Add the shrimps and continue sauteing to give the shrimps the wok hay. Then add the rice and chopped onions. Stir frying the entire thing for 2 to 3 minutes. Season it with soy sauce, fish sauce, and add your sliced tomatoes, mixing it until cooked. Now, push the fried rice to one side of the wok, and crack the egg on the wok's free side. Scramble it with your spatula until it starts to set. Once it is done, toss the scrambled egg to the other side of the wok and mix it together. Serve the Khao Pat on a plate with some sliced cucumbers, lime wedges, and chopped green onions on the side. Topped with a fresh sprinkling of cilantro. A good pair for your freshly cooked Khao Pat is a spicy dipping sauce called Thrik Nampla, made by combining fish sauce, Thai chilies, and sugar. What makes Khao Pat special is the use of fish sauce as its prime seasoning. Fish sauce gives a special kind of saltiness that is different from your usual salt. In cooking Thai dishes, you need Thai fish sauce. Squid brand fish sauce gives your Thai fried rice complex, authentic flavors, made naturally from anchovies and fermented with salt in wooden barrels for months. A brand that is popular in Vietnam, Cambodia, and Thailand. Squid brand fish sauce gives your dish an extra boost that can keep you salivating for a second serving. Thanks again for tuning in with us here today at Foodie Legends for our latest episode. I hope you enjoyed some of the fried rice recipes that you can try at your home. Do you have your own take in making your own fried rice? Feel free to share in our comment section. Also, be sure to like this video and click the subscribe button for more delicious content every week. You guys are awesome. Thanks again for watching. See you on the next one.